Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you the practical number 8 of soft computing lab manual. Aim is implement a program to perform max-min composition of two matrices obtained from Cartesian product. The composition relations is a concept of forming a new relation R S from two given relations R and S. Definition is: let R be a relation from set A to a set B and S a relation from set B to a set C. The composite of R and S is the relation consisting of the ordered pairs A and C, where A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C, such that A, B belongs to R and B, C belongs to S. We denote the composite of R and S by R. The max-min composition is defined as: for T equal to ROS, T of x, z equal to max of mean of R of x, y, S of y, z. Now we will see the program. First, there is command like clc close all. Now user will provide the input matrix A, B and C. We will take it as A equal to input, enter A, B equal to input, in bracket in quotes, enter B. Here zeros function is used. So zeros in bracket m, n returns an m by n matrix of zeros. It returns an m by n matrix of zeros. So if you give the command like zeros of 2, 3, it will returns the 2 by 3 matrix of zeros. Zeros of 3, 2, it will return the 3 by 2 matrix of 0, and zeros of 3 by 3, it will return the 3 by 3 matrix of 0. Now we are going to store the values of zeros of 3, 2 in the R, zeros of 2, 3 in S and zeros of 3, 3 in Z. So to calculate the value of R, for I equal to 1 to 3, for J equal to 1 to 2, R of I, J equal to mean of A of I, B of J, and we are displaying the R. Similarly for the value of S, S of I, J equal to mean of B, mean of B of I, C of J. Now we are displaying the value of S. And finally, to calculate the max-min composition, we are using Z of I, J equal to max of mean of R of I, 1, S of 1, J, mean of R of I, 2, S of 2, J. This formula comes from this: T of x, z equal to max of mean of R of x, y, S of y, z. By using this, we are finding the max-min composition, and finally we displaying the value of Z. So if you run this program in MATLAB, you will get this output. User will enter the three matrix A, B and C. Matrix A is 0.2, 0.7 and 0.4, B is 0.5 and 0.6, C is 0.2, 0.4 and 0.6. Now you are getting the value of R, S and Z respectively. I hope all of you understand this video. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.